Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the IR Universal Smart Remote. In this video, I just want to show the Smart Hub working with an Android device. So here on my table here, I've got a Google Pixel running Android 7.0, and I'm just going to go ahead and open the IR Universal Remote app, and this is the home page. So in our previous video, we showed how to connect the hub to the network. So this hub is already connected to the network. So if you do not know how to connect the hub to your local Wi-Fi network, please see the video on how to do so. So here I'm just going to go to the Android app, and I'm just going to select the menu button, and I'm going to go to Settings. And here's the settings screen, and I'll just scroll down, and this is just for setting up the hub for the first time, or if you want to set up multiple hubs. So I scrolled down in the settings, and we have the IR Universal Smart Hub settings, and we can learn more about the Smart Hub, or we can, if we already have a Smart Hub, we can go ahead and turn it on, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to hit the switch, and that will activate the application sending codes to the hub. If you disable this, if you have a phone with a built-in IR blaster, then you can use the app with that phone. But if you want to use the hub, if you have a phone that doesn't have an IR blaster, then you'll have to use the hub, and you'll just switch the switch on. And after you switch the switch on, there's another option that says select your hub. We want to make sure the app is talking to the right hub, because we could have multiple hubs on the same network. We can connect to all of them, or we can connect to an individual one. For this, we're just going to connect to this hub right here. So I'm going to click on select your hub. So right now it says that it's initializing, and it does take a second. Right now it's scanning the your local network for hubs that, the IR Universal hubs, the specific hub. And we'll just give it a minute here. See if I can't get this to not look so blurry and bleached out. Okay, so it loaded, and here you can see the hub. Let's see if we can get it to... Okay, so there's my hub. If I had multiple hubs connected or powered on right now, and on the network, you'd see their IP addresses in this list. Since I only have this one hub, you only see the one IP address. So if I had multiple, I could hit the Connect to All button, and that would send infrared signals to all of the hubs at once, or you can select an individual IP address, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to select the top. And so now the application is ready to send codes to this exact IR Smart Hub. So all I have to do is hit back to save the settings, and I've got my remote on a Vizio TV, and in front of me here I have a Vizio TV. So all I'm gonna do, and I don't know if I can get this all in the same picture, but I'm just gonna tap the volume up button, and you can see the volume going up, and that's because it's going straight through the hub. This is a Google Pixel phone, which does not have a built-in IR blaster, so it has to use the hub in order to send the signals. And all I'm pressing are just the simple buttons here, and again, down. And I believe we can take the hub, and we should be able to see the infrared signal as I push the button here. Let me try and get it all in focus. So you can see I'm just pushing the button, and it sends the infrared signal. Now I can go in my settings here again, hit my settings, and I'm just going to disable the hub to show the communication. So I hit the switch, we'll go back, and now I'm just going to push my volume button again, and you'll see nothing's happening. We'll activate it real quick, and it's just that fast. So that shows the hub working with the IR Universal Remote Android application.